in there to make county fair replacement heifer. Granted, I'm not selling 3 or 4 off this deal. It'll be most of this deal, but there is some cattle in here. If somebody bought this deal, they can group up and resell for county fair show heifers here in Texas. Beautiful heifer, isn't she? I mean, I'm about 6 foot from these heifers. They're just walking by me. They're not rank at all. I'm right in their face. They're not, you know. A goofy Braford run, yes, over this close to them. So they're not rank. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Again, and the chocolates are 2 pins over. Good set of heifers. I'll make a hell of a set of cows. Y'all guys in South Louisiana like to turn them heifers out, and I resell them for y'all every fall, or I try to. Buy these. They're easy to resell, I promise you. Everyone likes these when they're big and fat, weighing 1,100, 1,200 pounds. Okay? Everybody. So you buy them now, turn them out in summer, spring, summer grass, synchronize them, breed them up about a month and a half, call Clay about November, we'll flip them for you. Everyone always likes these, I promise you. I've been on this earth 47 years almost, and everyone likes these kind, okay? And every year they like them. They like them more even. So, they're strong with always strong, good more. These girls always top the local markets. Where they've got a special sale at Mr. Tom's or one of Mr. Billy and Josh's or Lord Lou's, wherever the case may be. These kind of always go ka-ching, 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 because you turn these girls out, you forget about them. She's the smallest heifer, it's of course the smallest heifer and the biggest heifer standing right by each other. So these kind will make you money for many years. Because my client out in Utah, you know who you are. You've been calling me for a year about these kind. Hello, these do great in the deserts of Utah, up in those beautiful mountains y'all have. They'll still do fine, okay? Real set of females here. Talk to me, boys and girls. Woo! What a set of ladies. Have a great day. Adios. Again, their chocolate sisters are over there. And yes, they're not striped. They are chocolate. But they are beautiful as well. I could get both these groups on one semi-load. What a deal. Freight will be the same by half a load or a full load. The truck is the same. So might as well maximize your investment. Buy 50 of these lovely ladies. Have a great